In this video I'll be showing you how to add RAM to a computer. It's pretty simple, you just need to open your case of your computer, but by first, how to do it, you need to remove this little screw, which can be removed by hand or by screwdriver, from this bit here, which is bumped. All you need to do now is just remove the case. So you've got to add RAM, which is about here. This is RAM here, and just to add it you just need to open these little things here, get your RAM very carefully and look where the pins are. Just very carefully slot it in. Don't use that much pressure, or you'll break the RAM. One second. Just here I have slotted it in here. I have slotted it in, make sure the pins are like that, and all I have to do now is hit these little ones here to place it in. So that's secured for one area. Push down will help to push it in. And then select the other one. And I've now secured the RAM. This will work, I have tested the computer out. All you need to now do is put the case back onto it. It's pretty simple, I hope. Just slot it there. And works. You just need to put the screw back on and you've done. That was my user guide of how to add or remove RAM onto a computer. And thanks for watching.